Hi guys, Mrs. Darusha here. Sorry I can't be with you, but I'm a little bit under the weather, so I'm going home to rest up for a couple hours before conferences. Today you're going to be creating some name insects. So the first thing you're going to do is fold your paper so that you get a vertical fold. Fold hot dog way. Then when you open it up, turn it so that your fold makes a horizontal line, and you're going to write your first name or middle or last, it doesn't matter. Choose one of your names to write, and when you write your letters, write them in cursive and so that they end up right on this horizontal line. So my first name is Emily, if you didn't know. You can see that my letters end up right on that horizontal line. So that's important today. And then this is going to sound kind of funny, but you're going to actually trace your name through twice. So first, I'm going to turn it over and I'm going to just trace it through on the back of where I just wrote it. You want to follow that exact line. Almost done. Thanks for being patient. And now you'll see why we did this. So here's the original name. Here's where I just traced it through, and I did that because, trace the rest of my Y here. Because what I want to end up happening is I want to have my name reflected across this line. And so I traced it through. So now when I fold it, I can see my name through the paper. I'm not sure if you can on the dot cam, but it's pretty easy in person to see my name here. So now I'm going to trace it through one more time. And it doesn't matter which side of the paper you end up with. Two names, one on either side of the fold. Guess what, guys? I shipped out your Square One artwork yesterday. Turned out so awesome. I can't wait for you guys to get those stickers, and if you choose to order, get the products with your artwork. And because I had the tail of the Y, I'm going to have some lines crisscross through, but that's no big deal. Ooh, it's kind of hard to see here. There we go. Okay. So now I have my name on both sides, and now my goal is to turn this into an insect or a bug using some super cool patterns and designs. And you could think about like Zentangles, some really interesting designs. You can think about the different parts of the bug, like adding legs or fangs or teeth, but also be an artist. So also think about what design you might add. When I'm looking at this here, I right away am thinking I want this to be eyes. Turn these into eyes. Okay. And I'm gonna stop the recording now. I'm gonna do a little bit more designing, and then your guest teacher today will have this so you can kind of see how these names turned into an insect. Of course, be super creative. I think you're going to do some great designing with just the black and white Sharpie today. If you want to add color, you may use crayons or markers, but my expectation is really great, just black and white design first. All right, guys, have a great class. Be the fabulous, amazing students and artists that I know you are, and I will see you next week.